The woman just wanted to use the bathroom on the train, but to her surprise, she found that the carriage with the bathroom had mysteriously disappeared. This immediately made Lisa realize that something was wrong. She quickly reported the strange occurrence to the train attendant. However, when the attendant saw the missing fifth carriage, he advised her to stay calm and falsely told her that there had never been a carriage there. As more and more people started to need the bathroom, the passengers also began to notice the anomaly. At this point, a man approached. He asked the attendant why he was lying, since he clearly had a friend who had just gone to the missing fifth carriage to use the bathroom. Seeing that the situation could no longer be concealed, the attendant reluctantly told the passengers that the fifth carriage might have had a malfunction, which caused it to be left on the tracks behind the train. To figure out what was going on, the attendant quickly inspected the train, only to discover that the power distribution box was overgrown with weeds. As he puzzled over this, he suddenly saw something eerie. He noticed, faintly, in the reflection on the train's glass, the passengers from the missing fifth carriage. This instantly gave the attendant a bad feeling. He quickly informed the train conductor. Upon hearing this, the conductor was also greatly shocked. To figure out what was happening, the conductor immediately went to check the fifth carriage's surveillance footage, only to find that the footage was no longer viewable. To avoid alarming the passengers, the conductor told the attendant not to inform them of the situation yet. But what they didn't know was that the train was slowly entering a dark tunnel. It was in this tunnel that the passengers in the fourth carriage would finally learn what had happened to the disappeared fifth carriage. As the train entered the tunnel, a sudden crying sound echoed from the carriage. Before the passengers could react, one of them was suddenly strangled by some mysterious force. Those nearby rushed to help, but in an instant, they too were choked. The next moment, all the passengers in this carriage began to make strange movements. Some were babbling incoherently, others collapsed on the ground in agony, and some even appeared to be possessed.